How to replace your headband cushion on the Sony WH-1000XM4 headphones. Here we have our kit that includes everything you need to replace this part. First thing you would need to do is insert this little pry tool in between the crack right there, and the plastic piece should pop right out. And it's just a cover, so we can set that aside. Next thing is to unscrew the two screws that hold the small bracket part in place. Once you have the screws removed, you can set that piece aside and repeat the same process on the other side. Next step is to remove the old headband pad. Here I have a sharp razor, or you can use scissors. And you would just want to remove all the foam and peel off any excess material here on the top, and then also on the underside of the headband. And that's what it should look like when it's removed. Next step is to install the new headband pad. Now, our own headband pad is a custom design, so this is a snap-on. This isn't like the standard stock headband pad. There's little clips that attach these two pieces together. So when you install it, you want to put the bottom part in first, and then make sure that the wire is tucked in between the small plastic clips. Right there, you can see the wires tucked in between all the clips. And once that's installed, we will apply the two-sided tape or adhesive. If you find this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel. Now you can attach the two pieces together, align them up properly, and squeeze together and apply pressure. You should hear and feel some snaps and some clicks. And the next step would be to install the brackets into place. Make sure that you are using the new brackets that come included with the kit, and also the new screws that come with the kit as well. So this is the new bracket piece, and just screw them together, both sides. And there's two screws on each side, so that's 4 screws total. Once it's done, you're finished. This is how it should look.